Okay, we all love quick, easy dinners that are delicious and that our kids are gonna eat, right? So I have tortillas. We're gonna make a flatbread. If you don't have tortillas on hand, you can use bread. You can use, if you have a flatbread, great. If you have an extra pizza crust, you can make this kind of into a pizza. But this is a quick, easy dinner. Okay, this is called Monterey chicken flatbread. So I have my roasted veggies here, and if you have any questions about roasted veggies, we do have a video specifically to answer your questions about roasted vegetables. But I have seasoned these with a little bit of cumin and a tiny bit of salt, not very much. So I'm just going to start by putting my veggies down, kind of hiding them just a little bit underneath the rest of the ingredients. Okay, this is a great way to get vegetables into your kids' diet, especially when you don't love vegetables. Okay, so I'm just going to put those on. Okay, and then I'm going to stack my chicken. I have pre-cooked, this was frozen chicken. It's just really easy to use if you want to cook your own chicken. That's great too. If you have ground beef, that's an option as well. Pulled turkey, kind of whatever you have on hand is great. This is about making it easy and healthy, not trying to make a 5-star multi-course dinner. So I'm just going to put the rest of this chicken on here, and then I'm just going to top it with some cheese. So I have shredded American cheese. If you'd like to use the singles, that works too. If you have cheddar cheese on hand, that works as well. Kojak, Monterey, pepper jack is also really delicious, but today we have American. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on here. I like a lot of cheese. Okay, then I'm just gonna pop these on a pan, put them in the oven just until the cheese melts and it's all nice and roasty, toasty, and bubbly, and then dinner's ready.